Today I'm going to show you how to create a column chart, and this uses bars of different heights to illustrate the data in a worksheet. And what it's mainly used for is showing relationships among different categories of data. And so we have our different categories here of the data, and then we have our data set in here. I've already typed all that information in. And so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to select my categories and my data that I want to show up or appear in my column chart. And I'm going to click on the tab Insert to open up that ribbon. And you're going to notice in the middle here is our chart section. I'm going to click on Column Chart. And when I do, it gives me a menu of a bunch of different column charts to choose from pyramids and cones and cylinders and 3D to 2D. And so whichever column chart best suits your needs, and usually these first ones are going to be the ones that you use the most of, we'll choose 3D column chart. And as you can see, it puts in my chart. Since I've highlighted my names here, they show up. And since I highlighted my years, they show up over here in my legend. And then you can see that my legend has given color to each of the bars, so you know which one is represented by which color. Now I can change those colors by clicking once on the bar and then going up to Chart Tools and clicking on Format. And here in my shape fill, my shape styles, in my shape fill, I can change the color of my chart and do the same thing with the outline if I really needed to. And then I can do the same thing to the other bar if I really want to change and try to make it look a certain way. Okay? And I can do the same thing with my text. I click on the text over here or my numbers, and you see that it's outlined. I come over to Word Art Styles, and I have my colors over here, and so I can change my color exactly the same way. And I can do the same thing for my text by selecting it. It puts it in that box, and I just change the colors. And so that's pretty simple. I can also format this white area of my chart by right-clicking and going down to Format Chart Area, and I can choose from several different things, from solid fill to gradient, or I can insert a picture to be back in the background. I'm just going to choose a solid fill, and then I have to choose the color, and I'm going to use a lighter color just because I want to see the stuff show up. And once I've done that, I click Close, and now here is that data. So it fills in fairly easily. Okay, and that makes it nice. And now I'm going to click on, in my Chart Tools section, Layout, and I'm going to go to Chart Title, and I want to center my title above the chart. So I'm going to click OK. There's where my chart title will be. And I just type that in. And there you go. I have added a chart title to this table, or to this column graph. And so that's how you make a column and a bar graph and what they are used for.